Get ready with a respirator, or at least crack a window, because a dust storm is about to kick off. As I set out to transform my loft, I dreamed of open concrete elements, so I decided to tackle the columns myself, like a DIY superhero. For this epic quest, I faced a choice: rent a fancy professional grinder, or reinvent the wheel by attaching a dust collector and diamond disc to my trusty angle grinder. From the get-go, my optimistic 30 minutes job shattered against the wall of reality because something wasn't working. When things go wrong, what do? Naturally, apply more muscle power. A thought struck my mind: either I lack strength or I put something together incorrectly. But I'm not the one to look for easy solutions, so I use even more force. As my shirt became a sweat towel, the fewer clever thoughts remained in my head, but at least I decided to try a different disc. A delightful illusion washed over me. Maybe, just maybe, it would finally work. Spoiler alert, it didn't. The work was hard, and on top of that, the hose detached a couple of times and the nozzle itself started to release dust in all directions, and soon I was enveloped in a glorious dust cloud, looking like I'd just emerged from a scene in Dune. The morning is wiser than the night, so armed with my secret weapon, duct tape, I fixed my trusted tool. The job started going smoother as I finally discovered the secret: attach the dust collection accessory properly so the disc could fit against the surface. What's the project without a bit of elbow grease? Sure, grinding the windowsill wasn't really necessary, since it will be covered, but I was too proud of my newfound technique to stop there. It felt like dessert. When things go south, remember to take a step back, breathe, and rethink the plan. I could have learned that lesson, but as the English say, that's just not my cup of tea. It's more like a bucket of concrete dust.